This is Shuttle's Twilio connector. It lets you take PCI-compliant card and ACH payments on any Twilio number. If the phone payment declines or the customer prefers to pay another way, it sends them a payment link on their phone. They complete the payment while still on the line. One integration, every scenario covered. Setup starts here. Create an account on the Shuttle. Google sign-in works too. Takes about a minute. Once you're in, you connect your payment gateway. Choose your provider from the list. The supported gateways vary by country. The connection process takes a few clicks. Next, point Twilio at your Shuttle account. We give you a username, password, and a unique connector name. You install the Shuttle Global Pay connector on Twilio. From that point, anytime your Twilio workflow triggers a payment, it routes through Shuttle to your gateway. Twilio uses something called the Pay verb. You drop it into any workflow, an IVR collecting an invoice, an agent-assisted call taking a deposit, a reminder flow where the customer presses 1 to pay. The Pay verb gathers their card or ACH details, sends them to Shuttle, and Shuttle processes the payment through your gateway, all PCI compliant. The customer never leaves the call. To get you up and running fast, we built a demo app. It's not trying to replicate a specific use case, it's a starting point. Point a Twilio number at this URL, and you've got a working payment flow in minutes. Card payments, saved cards, tokenization, payment links, refunds, all available from the phone menu. I'm going to configure my Twilio number to point at the demo app, then call it so you can see exactly what happens. First, a straightforward card payment. The IVR asks for card details, sends them to Shuttle. Shuttle authorizes through the gateway.
Welcome to the Shuttle payment demo. Press 1 for a card payment. Press 2 for a payment link. Press 3 to pay with a saved card. Press 4 to tokenize a card. Please enter your 16-digit card number, followed by the hash key. Please enter your card expiry date, month, then year. Please enter your 3-digit security code. Processing your payment. Your payment of $1 has been approved. Thank you.
Done. The voice prompts you're hearing are default. In production, you control every word. You can use natural-sounding AI voices. Make it sound like your brand, not a robot. Here's the activity view. You can see the payment just came through. My number, $1, all the transaction details. You can refund from here. We also send webhook notifications to your system, so you can mark invoices as paid, update your CRM, close the loop automatically. Now the payment link flow. This is the fallback that changes everything. Say the card payment declines, or the customer doesn't want to read their card details over the phone. The system sends an SMS with a payment link. The customer taps it, pays on their phone. Apple Pay, PayPal, card entry, whatever you've configured. They complete the payment while still on the line. The system picks it up within seconds. You control the styling.
Welcome to the Shuttle payment demo. Press 1 for a card payment. Press 2 for a payment link. Press 3 to pay with a saved card. Press 4 to tokenize a card. Your card was declined. We'll send a payment link to your mobile now. Please complete the payment on your phone.
This is just the default. In production, it's your brand, your colors, your payment methods. Payment complete. The customer gets a confirmation. They haven't shared card details over the phone. The system detected the payment automatically and continued the call. Refunds work the same way.
We've detected your payment. Thank you. Your reference number is 4729.
One API call. The demo app shows it on the phone menu, but in production, you trigger refunds from your own systems. Saved cards. This is where it gets interesting for repeat customers. Your system knows who's calling. It checks Shuttle's API for saved payment methods. If they've got a Visa ending 1334 on file, you skip the card capture entirely. Just confirm and charge. 3 seconds instead of 30. Here's everything we just did.
We have a Visa card ending 1334 on file. Would you like to pay using this card? Press 1 for yes, or press 2 to...
A telephone payment, a web payment via the link, a refund, and a saved card payment, all through the same connector, all reconcilable against your gateway. The documentation covers everything else: card payments with address verification, auto capture settings, how to pass customer and order data through for reconciliation, ACH payments, scheduled payments for customers who want to pay on their payday, recurring payments where Shuttle manages the frequency, and tokenization where you save the card and instruct payments via API whenever you need to. Full API access. Get payment details, manage payment methods, instruct refunds, captures, voids, token payments, create payment links. Everything you need to build sophisticated payment workflows. Webhooks keep your systems in sync. Every payment approved, declined, or refunded triggers a notification. Your processes stay reliable because you always know what happened and when. The dashboard gives you the full picture: payment volume, currency conversion, and any issues that need attention. Failed payments, recurring payments in dunning, invalid payment methods, everything in one place. That's Shuttle on Twilio. One connector, card payments, ACH, payment links, saved cards, refunds, recurring.